Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot button issue that's shaking up southern Africa. Yep, we're talking about Zimbabwe's controversial 2023 election and the Southern African Development Community, or SADC's, reaction to it. So, let's set the stage. In August 2023, Zimbabwe held elections that were anything but smooth. Reports of delayed voting materials and voter suppression, particularly in opposition strongholds, were rampant. These issues were so glaring that even SADC's own observer mission couldn't turn a blind eye. They called it out, highlighting widespread irregularities. Now here's where it gets interesting. Thousands of Zimbabwean citizens signed a petition urging SADC to take action against this blatant election fraud. And guess what? The SADC Troika, led by Zambian President Hakainde Hichilema, actually stepped up and acknowledged the observer mission's findings. They didn't mince words, criticizing Zimbabwean authorities for their actions. This isn't just about one election, though. This is a critical test for SADC's commitment to democratic principles across the region. The world is watching to see if SADC will uphold electoral integrity or if this will become just another case of political lip service. But wait, the drama doesn't end there. Enter Zambia and Zimbabwe's diplomatic row. A video surfaced showing Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa complaining to Russian President Vladimir Putin about Zambia's ties with Western nations. Mnangagwa accused the US of using Zambia to isolate Zimbabwe and sought Putin's support in areas like defense and food security. Zambia wasn't having it. Their foreign minister, Mulambo Haimbe, emphasized Zambia's sovereignty and called for regional mediation. They even reported Zimbabwe to both SADC and the African Union. This spat exposes the delicate balance of power and influence within the Southern African region. At the core, this dispute is rooted in Zimbabwe's accusations that Zambia supports local opposition groups and criticizes Mnangagwa's re-election. It's a tangled web of regional politics that underscores the challenges of maintaining stability and cooperation within SADC. SADC's involvement here is crucial. Their response will not only address the immediate situation, but also set a precedent for how future elections and regional disputes are handled. The international community is keenly watching, and so are we. So what do you think? Will SADC rise to the occasion and uphold democratic standards, or is this just another political charade? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more deep dives into major political events. Until next time, stay curious.